I look like I am a security at the club. You can't get in, bro. Where's your ID, bro? Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Berry Faye. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing some accessories that I recently picked up from Temu. I want to thank Temu for sponsoring this video. Let's get started. I have a whole bunch of different types of accessories, not just, you know, jewelry. So we're going to go ahead and dive in. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox. They've got everything in this one giant bag, which is so cool. Alright, so the first item we have is a simple canvas style handbag organizer, and I got it in this tan color here. This is what it looks like when it comes packaged. Super cute, super lightweight, and this is basically to put inside of your tote bags to keep yourself organized. So this is what it looks like, and it has different compartments on the inside where you can put your pens, your lip gloss, any type of thing standing up. It has a little elastic band right here if you wanted to put like a bottle of something in here. It has pockets on the outer side as well, and it's also got these two adjustable things to tighten it, widen it, things like that. So here's one of my previous tote bags. You can just put this organizer inside to just make sure that all your personable items that you need to find, oh, and they kind of match. Anything that you need to grab instantly, you can put it right in here. And either of these pockets, like I can have my phone sitting upright instead of just in the bottom of a tote bag. So absolutely love that. I have used one of these before, so I'm super excited to be using this one from Temu, and it is textured. I don't know if you can see that. It has a nice texture to it, and then again, there's pockets all alongside of it, even on the side here. There's like literally pockets everywhere, so you can store almost any and everything inside it to put inside your bag, like so. So I absolutely think this is necessary if you wear tote bags a lot. I highly recommend picking up one of these. Next we have, might be another organizer. Okay, so next we have this organizer, a storage compartment. This is something that you can store under the bed, at the top of a closet, and it's just like a nice storage bag, kind of like what you use for the holidays to like store your Christmas decor. And this is super spacious. Like, it opens up really wide. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'll put the dimensions on the screen, but it opens up really wide. It's about as long as my neck to my knees. It's pretty big, and it has a zipper, and you can just use it for storage. I'm pretty sure I'm going to be using this to store my bedding and just have this at the top of my closet. If you like to keep your home organized, this is definitely a nice pickup, and as you can see the price on the screen, it's definitely worth the price. So absolutely like that. I might have to pick up a few more of these because I like to keep my home organized, and it's a nice charcoal gray color. The quality is very nice. Nice texture. Definitely needed for sure. Next up, I picked up a pack of socks because I needed some new socks, and I feel like, you know, I wanted to test it out. A nice bunch of white socks, just some plain white socks, and the quality seems very nice. And then I have also some gray socks. So yeah, I mean, I don't think you can ever run out of socks, and I really needed some better socks, and right now I'm really loving it. They have a nice elastic on them. Let me try it on real quick. Ooh, they're nice and thin, perfect for those slip-on shoes. So this is what it looks like, guys. They're nice and thin. Let me just go bring the camera down. So this is what the socks look like. They're just nice and thin, comfortable, easy to slip on. I like thin socks because sometimes the thick ones are just too thick to the point where they add an extra layer on your shoes, and we don't like that. So definitely like these. 10 out of 10. I think these are definitely worth it, and again, the stretch is really good. Let's move on to actual accessories. I just picked up a few homey items as well, but now let's move into some of the accessories. I picked up this little passport case in a nice hot pink color, you know, for the times it's time to travel. It's easy to find your passport in your bag, and it's really cute. Oh yeah, it's nice quality. A nice little hot pink thing here. This is what the inside looks like. It's a nice little brown color, and you just put your passport through these little clear tabs, and there you have it. A nice little passport case. It's super affordable. Next up, I got these key clips to find your keys in your bag. Did I really buy this? I did. And actually, I know why I bought this, because literally 9 times out of 10, when I'm getting out of the car, I have to make sure my keys are in my hand for safety reasons and just in case of emergency. But 9 times out of 10, it takes me a good minute to find my keys inside of my own bag. So here, Temu came in clutch with a hook that you would hook onto your bag to hook your keys in your bag so that you can find it pretty easily. And I picked these bright colors for obvious reasons so that I can, once I see this, I know exactly where it is. And this is what it looks like. It's just a nice orange and blue clip. I'm going to test it out right now. Let's try it on my tote bag. So here's a little clip, and you just slide it onto your bag. So here's my bag. Let's try this out real quick. This is the clip. This one is a little bit of a plush, but so you slide it onto your bag, and then you can hang your keys inside that way. So I will probably keep this on like my bigger bags, because those are the bags that usually swallows my key and I can't find it. And I'll just hook it up right onto this, just like that. So it's cute. Nice little cute little purchase. Is it necessary? Probably not, but if you have problems with finding your key in your bag, then why not pick it up for only this price right here. Again, I got a 2-pack in the color orange and blue. I would probably, again, only use it for my tote bag. Moving on, I bought a 3-piece pack of bracelets. I absolutely love bracelets that have chains and things like that. Like having chains, like links, that's like my favorite. I love links. Okay, as you can see, there's a few bags back here that have the chain. I just really love that. That's like probably my favorite style of jewelry. So this is a 3-piece pack of bracelets, chained bracelets. This goes so perfectly. This is what this would look like on. Super cute, super affordable. Look at that. That's so cute. I love this so much. I love gold accessories, y'all. So we have a large, a small, a medium, and then a medium. And they're all cute. I would actually wear them all at the same time to just stack them up really nicely. This small one right here in the middle is my favorite one because it's so dainty. Jewelry, affordable jewelry for whatever outfit you have coming up. Definitely check out Temu because they've got it all. They have got it all, baby. Next up, I bought these cute little makeup tote bags. I bought 3 of them. And I'm going to gift the other 2, and you have the little initials on them. So here is the one I will be having. And I think it's really cute, especially for this holiday season. It'll be really cute to buy these things because you can easily fill them up with little makeup and knickknacks, as you know, things like that, and then gift it to whoever and get their initial on it. So here is the one that I picked up with A for Ariel, and it's so cute. It's a nice rose gold with flowers. I thought that was such a nice girly touch, and it's a very soft padded material. Has a little hook right here if you want to hook it onto something, and you can just fill it up with all kinds of like beauty products and whatnot. There's a lot of space in here. Put like your lip glosses in here, Barefoot Beauty. You can put some lip gloss and just make it a nice little carry-on makeup bag, perfect for traveling. I know a lot of people like to travel during the holiday season, so definitely consider getting this. This will be a nice idea for someone who is getting married as a bride. You can gift all of your bridal party with their own initial on them and fill it up with whatever cute little, you know, wedding type things for your bridal party. So I'm going to be doing this for Christmas for my nieces, and I'm going to be filling it up with, you know, just like a lot of nice things that you would give teenage girls. So definitely check out the link down below. All the links to everything mentioned will be down below, as well as a coupon code, because I'm trying to save y'all some money because the holidays are coming up. So definitely check the links down below so you can get all the items mentioned in this video. Don't say I didn't warn you. Start ordering your stuff now. Check the link. So we've got some things in here. Let's go ahead and open it. Again, I don't remember what these are. Oh, I do remember these. Ooh, yes, yes, yes. I love it. Ooh, wow. This is nice. This looks so nice. Oh my gosh. Let's put these on. Can you guess what they are? Let's put these on. Whoa, girl. Ah! Nah. Temu snapped. Like, do y'all see what I'm... Hello? Hello? I can't come to the phone right now. I'm filming a video for Temu. I can't come to the phone right now. I'm filming a video for Temu. Y'all, I just had to do a little Instagram thing because, baby, Temu snap. Look at these, babes. Okay, I feel very Bottega-ish. No, Temu snapped. And this was the price right here. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. Do y'all see the quality on these? I love the ombre. I love the gold detail, especially in the middle. I'm trying not to get the camera reflection, but Temu snap. If y'all don't pick up anything else, at least get these shades because they're super affordable, y'all. Like, yo, these are so cute. I'm impressed. I'm definitely gonna go online and get some more shades because I've become a shade girly recently, and these are affordable. Like, I'm not ever gonna spend hundreds of dollars on shades because, you know, they scratch, they break, whatever. So these look super expensive. Y'all can see the frames. They're just really, really nice. I just really love the way these look. I just really do. Let me take another picture. I love these, y'all. If y'all don't love these, you're asleep. Temu snapped. 10 out of 10. I can't wait. I am gonna get some more of these for sure. I need these in black. I need these in silver. I need these in all the colors for sure. Now is the time. All right, so last but not least, we have one more item. I'm not really sure what this is. Oh, more shades, y'all. Okay, now let's do a little modeling, okay? Ooh, I told y'all I'm becoming a shade girly, and I literally just got a whole bunch more. 1, 2, 3, 5 pairs of shades. 5 pairs of shades. Let's run through them really quick. And I'm gonna get one of those little shade holders. I'm gonna check on Temu's website to see if they have it, and if there is some on their website, you'll see that in the next vlog. So make sure you stay tuned for that. Here are the white pair. Ooh, I could have wore it with this outfit specifically. Yeah, I love that. That is so cute. This would have been so cute because I have this little top with the white pants. This would have been a moment. I really love these. These are so cute. Obviously, just be careful when you're wearing makeup. 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. So here are the next color. They're like a gray, tinted gray clear one. I like this a lot. It's like a nice gunmetal type of gray. I mean, you can see the fly, the bougie. The bougie aunt is here, okay? The bougie aunt is here. Super cute, 10 out of 10. The next color we're gonna try on the hot pink. They're really sturdy. Here are the pink ones. They all, by the way, they all came in one pack. This was like a pack of 5. So the price for the entire pack of 5 was this. But here are the hot pink ones. I love this. Imagine you at the pool with a big hat on, sipping your mimosa, sipping your pina colada with these Barbie pink shades. Yeah. And I like the dark tint. Can we talk about the tint real quick? How dark are these? Like, you guys cannot see my eyes at all. And I love that. But I can see, like, fine going out, but you cannot see my eyes. These are literal window tints, okay? Ooh, Barbie era is done. Like, everybody's past the Barbie phase right now. But if it comes back around, I've got my pink shades ready to go. All right, so next we have some all black ones. Can't go wrong with some black, baby. Ooh, I like these black ones. they just move a little bit faster than the other ones. But there's, look at the tint on them. They're so dark. I love that. This is literally like what I would wear if I don't want to be noticed. I look like I am a security at the club. You can't get in, bro. Where's your ID, bro? You just can't get in. Nah, you got to get to the back of the line. Y'all already know that because I like all the other ones, so this ain't no different. 10 out of 10. And the last pair, clear peachy. I'm gonna call these peachy. I adore these. And these tints are, as you can see, my eyes, they're brown. They're not black, which looks good because I can't imagine these with all black like that. But look at it. It's so cute, especially if I had like a color in my hair. Like, it would be so cute for the summertime, y'all. I just really like these shades. I like the frames too. Let's talk about the frames. The frames frame my face really good. I like sunnies where I can still see my eyebrows. Like, sometimes I like really big ones, but these frame on my face really well. As you can see, like, you're gonna know if I'm concerned. You're gonna know if I'm angry. You're gonna know if I'm sad. You're gonna know because you can still see all the features in my face. Yeah, Temu, you snapped for sure. Absolutely, you snapped. Well, guys, if you made it to the end of the video, I want to say thank you. A major shout out to Temu again for sponsoring this video. All the items that were mentioned in this video, the links will be down below directly to each and every one of these items. And you can use this coupon code to save you some money on your next purchase at Temu.com. I'll see you guys in the next video. Take care. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and I will see y'all in the next video. See you soon. Bye. Temu did the thing. Temu did the thing. Temu did the thing. Temu did the thing. Oh, this reel's finna be hot. Coming in hot. Coming in hot.